all of my favorites. Hey guys, what's up? It's Shannon. Welcome back to my channel. Today is a fun video because we are going to go over the products that rocked my world this past season. I know a lot of people on YouTube do these kind of like monthly favorite videos, and for me, I don't know about y'all, let me know in the comment section below if this is you too. It takes me a while to actually warm up to a product. I kind of have to put it through my rigorous Shannon tests to see if I like it or not. So I thought that seasonal favorites would be better suited for my channel. That way I can tell you kind of my real experience with them, not just like, I tried this once, it's great. If you happen to be new to my channel, welcome. I'm a freelance makeup artist and licensed esthetician based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty and skincare, making it quick and easy, sharing all of my favorite products with you, and having fun along the way. So if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to stay up to date on my latest videos. Alright guys, let's get into it. So the first product that I want to talk to you guys about, this is from the Drugstore. It is from a brand called Makeup Revolution. It is their Ultra Blush Palette. I actually purchased this guy back at the end of the summer. It's such a good price point and it comes with such a good range of blushes. These two little highlighters I honestly don't use that much, but I do use these 6 shades every single day. Not all at once, but I alternate. One big mistake that I feel like a lot of us make when we're doing our makeup is not having a range of blushes. One thing that I love about this blush palette is that really fair to medium to even darker skin tones can use this because they are super pigmented, but it comes with a lot of different undertones. So you have some kind of neutral undertones, some cooler and some warmer undertones. And it's great to mix it up. You know, we change our lip color all the time. We change our eyeshadow colors all the time. And sometimes when you don't change the blush to kind of match it, it can throw off the balance of your makeup. Now, I do have a separate video all about how to choose the perfect blush, so I'll link in the description box below if you haven't checked that out. But if you're looking for a new blush palette or you want a little bit more range, I definitely recommend that you check this bad boy out. It's awesome. Next product from the Drugstore is the Pro Conceal from LA Girl. Now I know that a lot of people talk about this on YouTube because it's very well priced. But I was, you know, I'm a skeptic. I have to try it myself. One thing that I really like about it is that it blends into the skin very, very, very well. I'd say it gives a light to medium coverage. I use it not only underneath my eyes, but also to kind of lift up certain areas of my face that I want lifted. It's really nice and hydrating, and I find that although it doesn't have the longest wear, it doesn't get cakey and gross underneath the eye. It just kind of fades away, and it's such a good price point too. So I definitely recommend checking it out if you are looking for a new concealer. Now the next product that I've been loving, this is from Prestige. This is a lip liner called Kiss. Now I actually purchased this a long time ago. I think I lost it and then I found it. I forgot how much I love these lip liners. They're really well priced. I think it's like $3.95 or something. They're so buttery and creamy and they last all day for me. I love this layered with the lip balm. I love it by itself. It's not drying. It's super pigmented and I have been loving this. Next product that I've been loving, this is the Susan Posnick Mineral Foundation. Guys, I ran out of my It Cosmetics CC cream, which I'm also obsessed with. I love that. But in the fall, I really wanted to increase the speed of my makeup application. And I actually have a separate video using this product, so I'll link it in the description box below. But I swear I have been using this every single day of fall. And I love it. Even though it's a mineral, it goes on so smoothly and it wears all day just beautifully. What I love about it too is it really lets my skin breathe and it's healthy makeup. The last high-end makeup product, this is a sample that I got from Sephora. I used my little point perks. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Ooh! Do I love this mascara, guys. It has such a great little brush. Blown away by it. I've been using it every day and I'm probably gonna end up getting the full size because I don't know what I would do without it. All right, let's move into skincare. My first skincare product for y'all, this is from a brand called Acure. This you can get at Target. This is their Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub with sea kelp and French green clay for all skin types. I actually just put this in the shower. It's just a soft, gentle exfoliator that's quick and easy. It doesn't do intense exfoliation, but it just kind of gets off those top dead skin cells. It's a really good price, and for like a quick shower exfoliator, I would definitely recommend it. The next product that I've been loving, this is from a brand called Arcona. It is a moisturizer for AM and PM, and it is called the Magic Green Ice. One of my friends recommended this to me. We did a green beauty video together that I'll link in the description box below. What I love about this moisturizer is that I feel like it makes my skin more radiant and glowy. It actually helps with skin cell turnover in addition to being really nice and hydrating as well. One cool thing about this brand is that they use a lot of serums. They layer serums as opposed to thicker, heavier moisturizers. If you guys want to know more about kind of green beauty, definitely let me know in the comment section below. It can get a little bit confusing, the different levels of greenness, and there's so much greenwashing in the beauty industry. It's a little disturbing. And my last product for you guys is a body product. This is actually from Acure as well. It is the Laid Back Lavender and Argan Oil Body Lotion. I am actually not a huge lavender person, but this isn't an obnoxious amount of it. It's really light. It must be because of the mixture. But what I love about this moisturizer is that it doesn't stay thick and greasy on your body. It sinks in really nice and easily, and it's well priced. It's super clean as well. Everything from Acure, if you haven't heard of the brand before, it's free of like parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, petroleum, silicone, and it's all cruelty free, of course. I actually really do love this brand. So if you want kind of like a brand breakdown of my favorite products, then definitely let me know in the comment section below. All right, guys, and that is it for me for this week. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comment section below what some of your favorite products have been this season. As always, there are more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Shannon Marie, and I hope you're having a great week, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.